Hello and welcome to a new episode of our interactive music series. This time, we're diving deeper into the world of music with Piano Roll. As always, we begin our adventure by opening our web browser and typing Chrome Music Lab into the search bar. From the search results that appear, we click the Chrome Music Lab link to reach the main page. We scroll down the page through the various experiments offered by Chrome Music Lab until we find Piano Roll. This tool is a fantastic starting point for visually understanding the structure of music. Let's click on it, and here is the Piano Roll interface. As you can see, we are greeted with a preloaded piece of music. This is one of the most fundamental interfaces used in digital music production. Let's learn about the inspiration for this tool by clicking the question mark in the top right. Piano Roll is inspired by the perforated paper rolls that were fed into old self-playing mechanical pianos. Each hole represented a note. This digital version operates on the same principle. Let's take a look at the controls at the bottom of the interface. In the center, there's a button to play and pause the track. The arrows on either side allow us to switch between different preset music pieces. At the very bottom, there are icons to change the instrument sound. Now, let's listen to our first piece with the default piano sound. Observe how the notes flow from left to right and how different colors represent different pitches. This visual flow allows us to see the melody, harmony, and rhythm of the music all at once. Let's listen to the track one more time to better understand its layers. The long lines represent long notes, while the short ones show short notes. The notes stacked on top of each other create chords, which are sounds played simultaneously. Now, let's change the mood of the music. By clicking the waveform icon in the middle, let's select the synthesizer sound. Isn't it amazing how the same notes can take on a completely different atmosphere with this electronic timbre? This is the quality of music known as timbre. Let's switch back to the piano sound and press the right arrow key to move to the next track. Piano Roll offers examples from different genres and classical pieces. The melodic structure and rhythm of this new piece are quite different from the previous one. Let's move on to the next track. This one has a simpler and more memorable melody. Simple structures like this can be a great source of inspiration for those new to composing. Look, in this piece, our default instrument has changed. Instead of the piano icon, we see a synthetic woodwind sound. Let's listen with this sound. The melody sounds reminiscent of a flute or clarinet. Now let's switch to the second synthetic sound for this track by clicking the wave icon in the middle. This sound has a softer, more resonant character. It's incredible to see how much the choice of instrument can change the emotional impact of a piece. Let's explore the next track. This piece has a more complex and multi-layered structure. You can observe how different melodic lines interact with each other to form a cohesive whole. We've arrived at our last preset piece. It's a calm and peaceful melody. First, let's listen to it with the default synthetic woodwind sound. Now, let's feel the difference by listening to the same melody with the other synthetic sound by clicking the wave icon. Piano roll not only lets you listen to music, but also allows you to think like an arranger, experimenting with different instrument combinations. Now that we've explored the piano roll, let's press the back button in the top left to return to the main menu. With this fantastic tool, you can analyze the works of famous composers or find inspiration for your own compositions. If you enjoyed this fun experiment and would like to see more interactive content like this to give you new insights, check out what else we have on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to get notifications for new videos. See you again soon, and thanks for watching.